And the decision for Israel's closely watched Sheikh Jarrah case has been delayed. The Supreme Court has proposed a compromise to end this long legal fight, but the Palestinians have rejected the offer. The top court suggested that 4 Palestinian families living in Sheikh Jarrah could stay in their homes if they recognized the land was owned by an Israeli company. The decision is extremely crucial at this point because the violence in Gaza has its origins in this neighborhood. It has been at the center of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. The neighborhood is populated by 300 Palestinians residing in 14 houses. But a legal challenge in the Israeli Supreme Court is seeking to evict 4 of these families and bring in Israeli settlers instead. The verdict was long delayed amid escalating tensions. Under the court's plan, the Palestinians would remain as protected tenants who cannot be evicted for the foreseeable future. According to Israeli media reports, the compromise would allow the Palestinian families to continue living in the homes for another 20 years, during which they will have to pay some rent to the Jewish trusts. The trusts which are said to own the land before Israel's establishment in 1948. This offer stands rejected by the Palestinian families at this point. Israel occupied East Jerusalem in 1967. Hundreds of Palestinians were driven out of their homes. Many of them found refuge in Sheikh Jarrah, a Jordanian project here in 1950s, built houses for the displaced Palestinians. But some of the land is said to have been owned by Jewish associations. Israelis argued that Sheikh Jarrah belonged to Jews in East Jerusalem before the 1948 war. Under Israeli law, Jewish groups can claim land that once belonged to the Jews, even before the foundation of the State of Israel. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now. Get all the news on the move.